Some more breaking inputs coming in from the state of Tamil Nadu only. Let's shift our attention to that, and this is related to Thalapathy Vijay and his last film, Jan Nayagan. Clearly, that has run into trouble with the censor board. It was supposed to be released on 9th of January, and there is the matter that is now in Madras High Court, and what we have now learned is that the matter has been adjourned till tomorrow. CBFC is yet to file its reply to the plea by KVN Productions. CBFC's arguments are now going to happen tomorrow. And let's go across to my colleague Dharini, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Dharini, this was supposed to be Thalapathy Vijay's last film, and it was supposed to be released on 9th of January. But ahead of that big release, there is a trouble, and the matter has now been adjourned till tomorrow. Can you tell us what happened in the courtroom today?
Well, as you rightly said, Jan Nayagan is the last film of Thalapathy Vijay in his 3-decade-long cinema career. He has publicly announced this, and this movie is scheduled for release on the 9th of January. But unfortunately, the film's crew has not got a certification from the censor board yet. So they've been waiting till today morning, and since they have not got any certification, they've moved the Madras High Court. And during the hearing in the Madras High Court today, the film's production house, KVN Productions, they told that the film was sent for a censor board's examination in December 2025. The examination committee watched the film on December 19, and they made certain suggestions for modifications, like certain religious dialogues and certain dialogues about about the nature of the film. They were asked to be removed from the film, and they were asked to be muted. All these changes were made, and the film was resubmitted to the CBFC again, for their review. But until now, even after watching the modified version, the CBFC has not given any certification to the film yet, and we have our release in 2 days. So we want a certification before that, is what the production house told in the Madras High Court. So the CBFC on their part, they're yet to make their arguments. The court has adjourned the matter for tomorrow. So tomorrow, the Central Board of Film Certification will make their argument in the Madras High Court. Meanwhile, we're also given to understand through sources that the CBFC had sent the modified version of the film Jan Nayagan to a review committee. So now the film is in the hands of a reviewed committee. The reviewed committee is having the modified version in their hands. So only after the review committee gives a nod, then the film can get its certification ideally. But since the matter is already in the courts, we have to wait and see what the Madras High Court says in this case.
Right. So tomorrow is an important day as far as Vijay's last film, Jan Nayagan, is concerned. We'll see what happens in the courtroom. Thank you very much, Dharini. Appreciate you joining us with your inputs on this story. Let's now move on, viewers.